Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of a standout product in the realm of office ergonomics, the Vari Electric Standing Desk with ComfortEdge. Let's start with the unboxing experience. The desk arrived well packaged, and assembly was surprisingly straightforward. Instructions were clear, and I managed to set it up in just 14 minutes, with everything needed included. The design immediately caught my eye, especially the ComfortEdge feature a soft, tapered front edge that promises enhanced comfort during use. Moving on to design and build quality, Vari has nailed it with this model. I opted for the walnut top with black legs, giving it a sleek, modern look that fits well in any space. The materials feel premium, and the desk is sturdy with minimal wobble, even at its highest settings. Adjusting heights is a breeze, thanks to the smooth operation and programmable presets. Now, let's talk about how it performs in daily use. As someone who spends long hours at a desk, I found the ComfortEdge design remarkably effective in reducing wrist and arm fatigue. Whether sitting or standing, the desk remains stable and supports various ergonomic setups effortlessly. The 4 programmable height presets are a game changer, allowing quick adjustments for different tasks throughout the day. Wrapping up, the Vari Electric Standing Desk with ComfortEdge is a standout option for those prioritizing comfort and functionality in their workspace. Despite the price tag, its build quality and ergonomic features make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their home or office setup. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.